Hey guys, I know I shouldn't be making a video driving. Some of you are going to be very upset with me, so I'm going to pay attention to the road. But I felt really compelled today to give you guys some encouragement. And I've been so busy with work. I have a project that just started and wrapping up from the retreat that I just haven't had time to make videos. I'm on my way to my son's section final football game, and so hopefully we'll do well and move on to state. But I have been seeing so many women struggling. I get so many messages and comments from people desperate for help. Their hair loss has devastated them, and they just don't think that they can do the wig journey. If that's you, first of all, if you're watching my videos, you're probably watching other people's videos and you are doing all the right things. Second of all, most of us have felt this way. It is the vast minority of people who put their first wig on their head and loved it, and the rest is history. Most of us struggled greatly. So you are not alone. Be gentle with yourself. Take it one day at a time on your own timeline. You will get there. I know that you will get there. But if you're not getting there as quickly as you think you should, or as quickly as you think others did, stop undermining your progress in that way. When you see reviewers like me, you are seeing us in the middle of our story. You're not seeing those first weeks and months where we didn't think we could do it. I promise you, most of us had those weeks and months. I absolutely had those weeks and months. I watched reviewers and was devastated when I would buy a wig that looked amazing on the reviewer and horrible on me. You may think that I can wear anything and everything looks good on me. A lot of people tell me that, but it mostly has to do with my attitude about it now. That was not the case in the beginning. I have tons of tip videos on YouTube where I talk about the journey and how to be successful. I have an 8-episode new Wig Wearers Series where I walk you step by step through the process. You can do this. I promise you. You are not alone. Just keep doing what you're doing, one day at a time, one step forward. Don't give up. I love you. So many of us love you. There are other women who will support you. There are tons of Facebook groups, wig support Facebook groups. Even if you're not on Facebook right now, consider getting on Facebook just for now, for the support that you can get. I have a list of trustworthy Facebook groups you can join. I actually created a spreadsheet called the Ultimate Resource. And in that spreadsheet, I've got tabs, one tab for online retailers, one tab for in-person wig shops. I have a tab for Facebook support groups. I'll put below, I'll either link it if this is like Facebook or YouTube, or I'll tell you how you can find it. You can do this. And whatever I can do to help, I will do it. So that's all I wanted to say. Thanks for watching. I love you. I'll talk to you soon.